YouTube, DearraLeann here, and I'm coming to you with a DIY lash extension tutorial. So if you'd like to see how I got my lashes like this, then stay tuned.
Wow, excuse my eyebrows.
As you can see in this clip, I have my right eye done, my right ear left, and the opposite not done just yet. So I'm just showing you kind of what it looks like up close. I did put the lash extensions underneath my natural lashes. I think that looks much more natural than the other way around. So here are some of the lashes I use. The Ardell Duralash Knot Free in medium black. And then the other ones I use short black, but those have knots. It didn't really make me a difference whether or not they had knots. Here is the glue that I used to put them on. Where it says mega hold, it really means mega hold. Like, my lashes stayed on for at least 3 weeks before I lost like one lash. Literally one extension on each eye. Also gonna need some tweezers, and this is basically how I do it. I take the lashes curl side facing out and I dip them into the glue. I pull my eyelid up and I just place it where I want it to be, and I kind of start in the middle and work my way out. I don't know why, it's just how I do it. And I start off with the short ones and I kind of do those just kind of spaced out, and once I finish putting those on, I go back in with the medium, and you'll see that in like a minute. So as you see now, I'm going back in with the medium ones to fill in between where I put the short ones. Obviously the medium ones are a little bit longer and flared out, I think they are. You'll see me kind of struggle to place this one for some reason, and once I get it on there, I tried to push it up with the back of my tweezers and it just came off with the tweezers. So I guess don't do that. Use your finger to push on the actual lash, not where you put the glue. That way the tweezer won't adhere to the glue and take it off of your eye. So this is what they look like now that I'm all done. They're not super dramatic or super full. I wanted them to look natural, but just more full than my natural lashes. If you want a more dramatic look, you can obviously use the long paired with the medium, or just long in general, but this is how I wanted it to be. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and go watch some of my other videos. Thank you.
That's a real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand. You gotta